All right, so here's number 39 from tonight's homework. It involves decimals, how fun and exciting. So just wanted to help you guys out with this one because, again, decimals are tricky because especially when we add and subtract, we have to be sure the decimal place lines up. All right, but it's just like any other solving equation problem. Here's how we do it. So let's circle my like terms. I have 3.7b and 8.1b. And I always like moving my variables to the left. And because they're on different sides, I need to do the opposite of 8.1b, which is subtract 8.1b from both sides. Now, 3.7b minus 8.1b, they're different signs, so obviously I subtract. And again, when I subtract, I'm going to line up the decimal place. So it's 8.1 minus 3.7, and the decimal place lines up. So when I do the math, I need to borrow, and 11 minus 7 is 4, and then 7 minus 3 is 4. So I have negative 4.4b plus 7 equals negative 19.4. So now I have 7 and negative 19.4 as my like terms, and I have my variable on the left, so that means I'm going to move 7 to the right by subtracting 7. And because they're the same signs, okay, they're the same signs, I have negative 19.4 and negative 7, same sign, add and keep. So I'm going to add 19.4 plus 7. Now, a common mistake that's going to be made. Notice how I had to line up the decimal place, so I don't add 4 to 7. I have to put 7.0 because the 4 needs to be added to the 0. So it's still going to be 4, and the 9 plus 7 is 16, carry the 1, so it's going to be 26.4. So that's a very big mistake. A lot of students would add 4 and 7 together, but remember it's 7.0 because you have to line up the decimal place. So from here, again, you would have to have a calculator to figure this out, but I'm going to go ahead and do it freehand. So you divide by negative 4.4 on both sides, and then you would cross out 4.4 on the left, leaving me with b equals, and then negative divided by a negative is a positive, and 26.4 divided by 4.4 actually works out to be a nice number, 6. So b will equal 6 in this case. So I did that because I can look at the decimal and know. You can type it into a calculator and figure that out, or we can do it the long way. Okay? But b equals 6 in this equation.